everyone! Welcome sa ating kusina ngayon. Magmamarinate tayo ng turbo chicken. Okay, so we need 1 whole chicken, garlic, ginger, and lemon, Sprite. This one we need this for our marinated chicken, pineapple, salt, pepper, and soy sauce. So yan yung gagamitin natin for our chicken to marinate. Okay, so let's just marinate our chicken. So, okay, lalagay natin yung ating mga ingredients dito sa loob ng chicken natin. This is star anise. Okay, star anise. We just put all ingredients in here. And we just put salt here. I use 1 tablespoon of rock salt here. Okay? Okay guys, so squeeze ko lang yung lemon. Squeeze ko lang yung kanyang juice and ipo-pour natin inside ng ating chicken. Inside, just pour it inside. Okay, and then a half cup of soy sauce. Okay, so this is the soy sauce, half cup. Ipo-pour lang din natin inside ating chicken. Okay, and the other is spread out all over the chicken body. Okay, and then also our 1 cup of Sprite. So, okay, this is yung 1 cup ng Sprite natin. Just pour it inside. And so you marinate this chicken overnight, everyone. And also our pineapple. Alright, so this is our pineapple. Okay, that's good enough, and pour it inside also the chicken body. Right, and pour. Okay, and I put 1 tablespoon of brown sugar also, and I add a whole black pepper. Okay, this one whole black pepper. Put it inside the pan. And here also we can just there. Okay, so just cover this container and put it in the ref overnight, so you can cook this after another day. So okay, so I hope you get some tips from me for our turbo chicken. Thank you so much. Okay, next let's cook our beef stew. Okay, ito lang kailangan natin. Short ribs beef. Ayan. Pinakuluan ko na siya ng 5 minutes guys at hinugas ng maayos. Okay, malinis na siya. So ito ating beef nor cubes, onions, laurel or bay leaf, and then the leeks and ginger and our siling labuyo. Okay, pag gusto nyo lang ng something spicy sa inyong beef stew, pwede kayo gumamit. But ngayon naman, it's okay, it's just your choice. Okay, so gawin lang dito natin is pressure cooker ko lang siya guys para mas mabilis mapalambot yung ating meat. So kung sa pressure cooker tayo, palambutin lang natin siya ng 45 minutes. Pero kung wala kayong pressure cooker, pwede kayong magpalambot sa kawali or sa inyong casserole. Okay, so ayan na yung ating pressure cooker. So lagay lang natin siya dyan. Ayan. And then our beef cubes. And let's add 1 cup of water. And then 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Okay, let's wait until 45 minutes. Okay, so ito na yung ating pressure cooker. So let's put inside the pressure cooker and let's do it for 45 minutes. Okay, make sure na close yung inyong pressure cooker. Yan, hindi na siya at nakasarado siya. Okay, so let's wait for 45 minutes everyone. Okay, so habang nasa pressure cooker yung ating beef stew, ayan, 44 minutes na siya. So, ihahanda natin. Let's prepare the sauce of our beef stew. Okay, for our sauce everyone, we need this one. This is the pearl, piras, and this is kiwi. Ayan, this one is the kiwi. Nabalat ko na siya everyone, okay? And ang our veggies, labanos. Yan. I-cut lang natin yung labanos natin dito. Okay, so we need to blend this one and this one. Okay, let's wait for the blending time. So for our sauce, we need this one, and we have sesame oil. Okay, let's put sesame oil for 1 tablespoon. Okay. And our dark soy sauce. Our dark soy sauce is 1 tablespoon also. And the next one is our light soy sauce, which is 2 tablespoons. Okay, so 2 tablespoons yung light soy sauce. Oh. And then our coconut sugar. Coconut sugar. Yan, this is coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is 1 tablespoon also. Alright. Okay. So let's mix this one later with our blended kiwi and pearl. So okay, let's blend our pearl and kiwi. Okay. Let's check the blender if it's still okay. Okay, this is our well blend kiwi and pearl. Ayan, nag-blend na siya ng maayos. So let's saute our garlic and onion. So okay everyone, let's saute our garlic and onions. Okay, saute natin siya with the butter. Ayan. So brown lang natin siya. Our garlic. Brown lang natin siya hanggang lumabas ang kanyang fragrance. So, ayan na. Mabango na yung ating garlic. So, let's add our onions. Okay. Until na magiging brown na yung ating onion. So, let's add this sauce from our meat. Okay. So, after 45 minutes, yung ating beef stew meat is there. Okay. So, yan na yung ating beef stew meat. Yan. After 45 minutes, ayan na siya. And then, tanggalin natin yung kanyang sauce and let's transfer that in our sauteed garlic and onions. Okay. So, ayan na, okay na. Pwede na natin i-add yung ating excess sauce from our pressure cooker. Ayan. Yan yung sauce na galing sa ating pressure cooker. Okay, and then let's add our mixed sauce. Okay, so ito yung ating mixed sauce a while ago. Ayan, so let's add here and let it boil. Okay, and then after that, let's add our meat so that our sauce mixture will absorb to our meat. Alright, so let's rest our meat here for 20 minutes. Okay, so our mixture of our sauce will absorb to our meat. Okay, let's add this one, our labanus. Okay, that's our veggies for our meat menu for the day. Okay. And then let's add our meat. Okay, so this is our meat. Ayan, so natanggal na yung ibang bone. Tanggal na yung ibang bone niya. Ayan, this one. There you go. There. Okay, and this one also. There. Okay. So let it boil for 20 or 30 minutes until our sauce mixture will become thicker and it will absorb to our meat. Okay, so when it's done, you can put the toppings with the spring onions and sesame seed on top. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Thank you. Okay, so after 20 minutes everyone, yan na yung ating beef stew. So i-add lang natin yung ating blended kiwi and pearl. Okay, spread out all over. Okay. So that's it everyone. Happy cooking. It's cooked already. So let's just rest for a while. For a little minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and then you serve with the spring onion and sesame seeds. Okay, happy cooking everyone. Thank you for watching.